Good morning, beautiful movie people. Welcome back to a new video. Today is the day where we want to visit the Hot Springs of Arnedillo, which is a village back here. And then we're gonna be heading towards Vitoria Gasteiz and trying to figure out if we find someone who can weld the exhaust pipe. Because if you have seen the past video, then you know that the exhaust pipe is ripped in half at one point. So that's more or less the idea for this video. Join into this adventure. Okay, let's go. Okay, here we are. Not the most idyllic parking spot, but yeah, a lot of the parkings here, at least in the city now, it was like with a 2-meter height restriction. So we lost there. And yeah, it's a bit of a walk down, but let's do that. Friends of the way, we are out at the end. Excuse me, but I was a bit shy and didn't film the baths, and they were also pretty crowded, so I didn't want to stick the camera inside someone's face, and a bit closed. Anyways, really nice. I can recommend it. Come to Arnedillo. You can park up there. Come take your bath and you are sorted. Also along the river here, there are like, as far as it seems, gardens, communal gardens or something like that, where people grow their vegetables. Really nice. Idyllic place here. I can show it to you from the sky maybe, and then we move on. Caves up there while now driving, basically on the next village. Let's go and have a look at them. And here are already the first one. Look at it. Very nice. Small porch. Fireplace. With power, electrical power. Let's have a look at the others. we can go in this one. So look, with the pantufles, it's not the best thing, obviously. Away. Small steps, pluck, and here we are. Oh, you're there? Wait a sec. Check this out. Oh, you're there? What a home, huh? And what a view. What a spot the people came to live in, huh? I mean, I guess back in the days, maybe when there was no village like this, you were like in the end of the world. And hot springs up there as well. Oh, let's have a look at this. That one's closed. Looks like kind of a museum, I think. I mean, it's kind of preserved. Nice walkway overlooking the village and the surroundings. Let's see if that one's open. Nope, closed. So yeah, basically at least we saw one. But yeah, really nice here. So, oh, check out the window up there. Anyways, let's move on. Go to Helix and drive on. A lot of caves, like there lived cave people here, actual cave people. Nice, nice. I like it. Okay, we need to put a bit of diesel into the machine gun and then head off again. Okay, short break. Gonna have a look. We're almost like over the half of the way, for sure. And until now, good. Also, we got our first police control. Yeah, funny. Now the idea is to like find the spot to like get some water. Hey, let's go there. Here we are. This place looks really good. I mean, it's a huge parking spot of some kind of monastery there, I'm not sure. But the view's good, huh? And who would thought? They have also a barbecue place here. Grills, picnic side, I mean. Tables. Something for the children to play. Bins. And our beloved and searched for fundana. Let's see if there is some water on it. Aha. Oh, stop. Super. Okay. This will probably be our home for the next days. And then we'll be heading into the city to, try and find and sort out this situation with exhaust. Hopefully we can sort it out relatively easy. And basically catch you in a couple of days when we're gonna be doing that. Okay, we're back from the walk. Oh, so nice. Got off work the past days and always done this round. Really nice in the countryside. I can say the thrombosis is going a bit back, hopefully. I'm gonna have to check it when I'm in Germany now. Yeah, so good to see that this picnic site where the Fundana is full. It's Saturday today in real time. People are there, the kids are playing, the barbecues are going. Oh, amazing. So good to see it. Anyways, so we're gonna do this in a bit of a quick manner and jump cut to the city, and then we're gonna sort out the exhaust situation. And we are not in the city. Friends, I drove through the city, but while driving towards it, I remember that basically I have to work another day and then I have 2 days off before I fly over. And yeah, I think with the exhaust, we will move it to when we're back. I found this amazing spot, really nice, really nice. Check this out, the sun is setting. Beautiful. I had a bit of a doubt with Helix driving down here, but he's in. I mean, it looks a bit funny there. It's a big step now, but hey, what can I say? Nothing. Full reception. I wanted to. This is a dam, by the way, a bit north of Vitoria-Gasteiz, and there are basically 2 dams. I tried to drive to the other one. Nice locations, really nice parking spots, but no reception. No, not even at the one I had edge, and on the other I had nothing. So yeah, not optimal. This is it. This is the end, friends. Thanks for sticking by till this moment. Big up to you, for sure. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video and we'll see what we can do. For sure, some exploration. Something. We have to do something. I've never been here in the area, so that's why I would love to do that. I guess this is goodbye. Keep yourselves positive. Peace out and love in. Don't forget. And see you in the next one. Tschüss!